Irfan Khan's death feels like a personal loss for even those people who never knew him personally, nor even met him in their entire life. The powerhouse performer's sudden demise came as a blow to the entire nation, and tributes and condolences poured in from all over the world. Because Irfan was not just an Indian actor, he was a bridge between Bollywood and Hollywood. The late actor's wife Sutapa and sons Babil and Ayan have shared an emotional statement remembering the most cherished lesson learned from him and how they feel that it's not a loss but a gain. The national award winning actor's wife started off the statement with, "How can I write this as a family statement when the whole world is taking it as a personal loss? How can I begin to feel alone when millions are grieving with us at the moment? I want to assure everyone that this is not a loss, it is a gain. It's a gain of the things he taught us, and now we shall finally begin to truly implement it and evolve. Yet, I want to try to fill in the things that people don't already know." She further added, "It's unbelievable for us, but I would put in Irfan's words. It's magical, whether he is there or not, and that's what he loved. He never loved one-dimensional reality. The only thing I have a grudge against him is he has spoiled me for life. His strive for perfection doesn't let me settle for ordinary in anything. There was a rhythm which he always saw in everything, even in cacophony and chaos. So, I have learned to sing and dance to the music of that rhythm. Even with my tone-deaf voice and two left feet, funnily, our life was a masterclass in acting. So when the dramatic entry of the uninvited guests happened, I had by then learned to see a harmony in the cacophony. The doctor's reports were like scripts which I wanted to perfect, so I never miss any detail that he sought for in his performance." Thanking the wonderful doctors that treated Irfan, his wife shared, "We met some amazing people in this journey and the list is endless. But there are some whom I have to mention. Our oncologist Dr. Nitesh Rotogi, Max Hospital, Saket, who held our hand in the beginning. Dr. Dan Krell, UK. Dr. Shidravi, UK. My heartbeat and my lantern in the dark, Dr. Sevanti Limai, Kokilaben Hospital. It's difficult to explain what a wondrous, beautiful, overwhelming, painful, and exciting this journey has been. I find this 2.5 years to have been an interlude, which had its own beginning, middle, and culmination, with Irfan helming the role of the orchestra conductor. Separate from the 35 years of our companionship, ours was not a marriage, it was a union." She ended the statement by revealing the important lessons her sons learned for their father. "I see my little family in a boat, with both my sons Babil and Ayan paddling it forward, with Irfan guiding them waha nahi waha se modo. But since life is not cinema and there are no retakes, I sincerely wish my children sail this boat safely, with their father's guidance in mind, and rockabye through the storm. I asked my children, if possible, they could sum up a lesson taught by their father that has been important to them. Babil, learn to surrender to the dance of uncertainty and trust your faith in the universe. Ayan, learn to control your mind and not let it control you." Tears will flow as we plant a Raat Ki Rani tree, his favorite, to the place where you have put him to rest after a victorious journey. It takes time, but it will bloom and the fragrance will spread and touch all the souls whom I won't call them fans, but family for years to come. She signed off.